Welcome to Relieve, a gentle space not to escape, but to come closer to yourself. This is day 3 of your healing journey, and today you begin to hear the quiet truth that has lived inside you all along. Pause for a moment. Ask yourself softly, when was the last time you truly heard your own voice? Not the one shaped by what the world expects. Not the one softened to keep peace. But the voice that rises quietly from within your chest. The one that knows what hurts and what longs to heal. There is no need to find the answer. Just let the question ripple through you, like a small pebble dropping into still water. Its circles spreading slowly, patiently. Now, settle your body into a posture that feels kind and unforced. Let the surface beneath you hold your weight. Your breath does not need to change. Simply notice it. Quiet, steady, loyal. Bring your awareness to the space between your heart and your throat. This is the bridge between feeling and expression, where truth often waits. If it feels okay, rest one hand gently there. Feel the warmth of your skin, the pulse that has never stopped. It is a reminder, even in silence, life has been listening for you. Take a slow, easy breath and imagine it rising from your chest to your throat. A quiet wave of air that carries understanding, not words, not stories, just awareness. If your inner voice could speak freely right now, what might it want to tell you? Maybe it whispers, "I am tired." Maybe it sighs, "I want to rest." Maybe it says nothing at all, just hums softly. Whatever comes, it belongs. Silence is not emptiness. It is the soil from which truth begins to grow. Now, gently respond to that inner voice. You can whisper aloud, or simply think the words. I am here. I am listening. You do not have to hide anymore. Stay with this meeting between you and yourself. No pressure to fix. No performance of healing. You are simply listening to what has always waited to be heard. You may notice a shift, a warmth in your chest, a softening in your throat, or a quieter rhythm in your breath. That is your body learning that truth and safety can coexist. Now imagine your inner voice as a small, steady light in your heart. It flickers, but it never goes out. Each time you listen with compassion, it glows a little steadier, not brighter, just steadier. That light does not come from me or this meditation. It comes from you. My words are only mirrors, helping you recognize what already lives within. The healing you seek does not arrive from the world. It awakens when you begin to trust your own guidance. Relief is your companion, but you are the healer. Now ask your inner voice one more question. What do I need today? Let the first honest answer arise, even if it is something small. A walk outside, a moment of quiet, a slower pace. Whatever it is, receive it as truth. You can whisper back, I hear you. That is all it takes. Hearing yourself without judgment or urgency. That is the seed of self-trust. Know that this voice, this light within you, is always here. Even in sadness or doubt, it waits, patient, gentle, steady, until you pause long enough to listen. And yes, you may lean on others. It is good to need care, to ask for warmth, to rest in the love that holds you. But remember, what you seek through others is already growing within you. The outside world can remind you, but it cannot replace you. Now take a few soft breaths with this awareness. Inhale, feeling that inner steadiness grow. Exhale, releasing what keeps you from trust. This is how you learn that the truest support lives inside you. Before we close, breathe once more into your heart, imagine that steady inner light, aware, calm, alive. It does not need to shine brighter. It just exists, quietly, faithfully. Say softly to yourself, "My voice is my guide. My healing comes from within. I am safe to listen to my truth." Let these words settle inside you, into the rhythm of your breath, the way you move, the way you begin to live again. If it feels right, take a few moments after this practice to write down one thing your inner voice shared. It does not need to be profound, only honest. Writing anchors your truth in the world you live in. As you return to the space around you, move slowly. Notice the air on your skin, the texture of the floor, a single color or sound that reminds you you are here. You have not escaped silence. You have learned to hear within it. This is day 3 of your journey. The day you remembered that healing is not given to you, but awakened from within you. You are learning to listen, and in listening, you are already healing. Take care, relieve,